Exercise 5.2, question number 1. State the property that is used in each of the following statements. Here the diagram is given and the condition is there. So if A parallel B, here two lines are given, line A and line B, both are parallel, then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Now this is the condition where you can see the position of angle 1 and angle 5 where they make F. Okay, here and here. So this is angle 1 and angle 5. Okay, so here you can write the condition corresponding angles property is used. Okay, corresponding angles. Now next is if angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Now where is angle 4? Here is angle 4 and another is angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Then line A is parallel to B. Now here this is the angle 4 and this is the angle 6. Here you can see which figure it is, Z. Now Z is for alternate pair of angles, and as 4 and 6 are inside the parallel lines, so they are alternate interior angles. Okay, so here which property is used? It is alternate interior angle property. Next, 4 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree. Here angle 4 and angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. This angle 4 and angle 5, it is equal to 180 degree because of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. This is the left side, okay, and same side of the transversal. Therefore it is supplementary, that is equal to 180 degree. So property will be interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Interior angles on the same side of the, this is the transversal. Question number 2. In the adjoining figure, identify first pair of corresponding angles. Now let us find out the corresponding angles which form the shape of F. Okay, remember. So first pair, angle 1 and angle 5. Okay, here same right hand side of the transversal, so you will write angle 1 and angle 5. Next is angle 4 and angle 8 on the left hand side of the transversal, so write down angle 4 and angle 8. Next, angle 2 and angle 6. Here it is 2 and here it is 6. Again here making F, so write down angle 2 and angle 6 right hand side, and here it is angle 3 and angle 7 on the left side of the transversal. So angle 3 and angle 7 are the corresponding angles. Now pairs of alternate interior angles. Interior means lying inside the parallel lines, which are inside the parallel lines. So which are they? They are angle 2 and angle 8, which form the Z shape. Okay, so write down angle 2 and angle 8, and another interior is angle 3 and angle 5. So it's angle 3 and angle 5, which are the alternate that form Z shape. Okay, here it was F and here it is Z. Interior angles, alternate interior angles. Next, third is the pair of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Now same side of the transversal and the interior angles. Okay, they are talking about the interior angles. So which are the interior angles here? 2, 3, 5, 8. But on the same side. So on the same side, which are the angles here? It is 2 and 5 on the right hand side. So angle 2 and angle 5 on the right hand side, and on the left hand side it's angle 3 and angle 8. Okay. Next, question number 4 is the vertically opposite angles that forms the X shapes. So which are there? Vertically opposite angles, find out. So they are angle 1 and angle 3. Okay. Next, angle 5 and angle 7. Same. 5 and angle 7. Then from upside here, angle 4 and angle 2. And here angle 6 and angle 8. So they are vertically opposite angles. Okay. Question number 3. In the adjoining figure, line P is parallel to line Q. Find the unknown angles. Whatever here A, B, C, D, E and F angles are there, we have to find out the measurement. One angle is given, that is of 125 degree. Now here any method you can do. First you can find out alternate pair of angles, or you can go to linear pair of angles, or you can have vertically opposite angles. Whatever the method you want to follow, you can have your own choice. Okay, there is no any particular step that you have to start with the vertically opposite alternate angles or corresponding angles. Any angles you have to start. So let us start here. I'll start with linear pair of angles or corresponding angles. Anyway, so this is a very typical figure. Now wherever up till now we have dealt with the figure like this. So now it's easy for you to find out. Yes, it's really easy. It was difficult like this. It was confusing. Confusion was there here. So no problem. When there is any confusion, just turn it. So it will be no confusion. So starting here, what we have here, 125, and where is another F? Here. Okay, D. So angle D is also what? 125 degree because of corresponding angles. Clear? Little bit will zoom it. So here you can see 25 degree, 125 is already given. So here this angle D also 125 degree because of alternate pair of angles. Now vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle B also 125 degree. Okay. Now we have got all the angles. What about the remaining angles? Now this 125 and E together form 180 degree. Okay, linear pair of angles. So when we subtract 125 degree from 180, you will get 55 degree. Okay, when you subtract 125 from 180 degree, you will get 55 degree as your another linear pair of angles. So E is equal to 55 degree. E is equal to 55. Therefore F is also 55 because vertically opposite angles are equal when the lines are parallel here. Next, E is equal to A. Angle E is equal to angle A. Again F it is forming because of linear pair of angles. Okay. Now A is equal to C because of vertically opposite angles. Clear? So here this is the figure and we have find out all the angles. Now again put the figure as it is and it is done. Question number 4. You'll find the value of x for each of the following where L parallel to M. Line already given L and M which is parallel and T is the transversal. Okay, here one out of the exterior angle is 110 degree. But here somewhat interior angle x we have to find. So again same pattern, corresponding angles. Here it is 110 degree. So corresponding angles on the same side of the transversal also it is 110 degree. Correct? F corresponding angles. So 110. Now linear pair of angles. So we can say here x plus 110 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, here you can say 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 180 minus 110, it comes to 70 degrees. So value of x is 70 degree. When you add both the numbers, it comes to 180. Next question, another figure is given and you have to find the value of x here. Now again, it's little bit difficult or not difficult. So अगर सीधा समझ में नहीं आता है तो उसको टर्न कर देने का. Okay, turn it like this. Now you can understand which shape you can see here. F, here it is forming F. Okay, so corresponding angles on the same side of the transversal is there here. So this is also 100 degree. Okay, same. So x is also 100 degree by the property of corresponding angles. No worry if there are two transversal. You can turn the page and find out the solution. Okay, no problem. So again back to the position. So you will use the property of corresponding angles. Question number 5. In the figure, the arms of two angles are parallel. Now two angles are given here, ABC and DEF. Now the arms here, this BC and EF are parallel to each other. Okay. If angle ABC is 70 degree, that is already given, then find angle DGC. This angle you have to find angle DGC and angle another is DEF. This angle you have to find and another is DEF. Okay, let us see. Now it is already given that BC and EF arms are parallel. Even you can see AB and DE is also parallel. Both the lines here, AB and DE, BC and EF, everything is parallel here, arms. So again, put the paper here. You can see which shape you can see here. F you can see. And if you have an imaginary line passing from here, you will see the transversal here and you can find out that it is F shape. So DEC also 70 degree because of the property of corresponding angles. Okay, and here which is the transversal you can see here. Which transversal you can see? BC is the transversal line. Imaginary line, if you pass, what you will see? BC is the transversal line and 70 are the corresponding angles. Now already you get DEC is equal to 70 degree. Now next is you have to find angle DEF. DEF you have to find, that is this angle. Okay, now BC is parallel to EF. Okay, now which is the transversal here now? ED. Now hide this one. Now you can see here. Now again you can have an imaginary transversal here. Okay, so 70. Which shape now you can see again here? Which angles? Corresponding angles. So angle DEF also 70 degree. Clear? Property of corresponding angles. Question number 6. In this given figure below, decide whether the line L is parallel to line M. Now for this we have to see that total linear pair of angles is coming to 180 degree or not, that we have to find out. Okay, so let us start here. First, what we have? Interior pair of angles on the alternate interior pair of angles on the same side of the transversal. So when we add 126 plus 44, it gives to 170 degree. Okay, not equal to 180 degree, but the sum should be of equal to 180 degree. So line L is not parallel to M. Line L is not parallel to M. Next, So vertically opposite angles we can put here 75 also. So again adding 75 plus 75 interior angles, what we'll get here? Sum will be of 150 degree instead of 180 degree. So here also L not parallel to M. Next 123, and here corresponding angles also, here we can write 57. So adding 123 and 57, the addition comes to 180 degree. Then here, yes, the line L is parallel to M for question number 3. Question number 4 here, 72 degrees given. So corresponding angle property, we have 72 degree here on the line L. Now as a linear pair of angles, total is 180 degree. So when we subtract 98 degree from 180 degree, what we will get now? So let us subtract 180 degree minus 98. So it comes to 82. But as we are getting 72 instead of 82, so here we can say that the addition doesn't comes to 180 degree, instead of 82 it's there. So the line L is not parallel to line M. Or you can directly add 72 and 98 also, then the addition will also come to 170 instead of 180. So here line L is not parallel to line M. Now student, please go through the videos, practice sums. If any queries is there, any query or any difficulty is there, please ask me or message me. Here the chapter is over. Thank you.